Good morning, students. This is chapter number 7, more on Photoshop CS3. Beta in page number 71. There is a one tool, color replacement tool. Okay, we are going to discuss this. Beta, this tool will replace a particular color. Suppose you want to change the color of, suppose it is a sky blue color, and you want to change with another color. Okay, so there is a color replacement tool. So in the case of your brush tool, here is brush tool, pencil tool, color replacement tool. So you will have to click on color replacement tool. Is it clear? Now your mouse pointer will be changed into target sign. Okay. Now what you will do here, you will press Alt key. It will be the cursor sign will be converted into eyedropper. Okay. Now from your image, click on a particular color which you like. Suppose I like this color. So look at here and click here. Release your left your Alt key. Now come to your place where you want to replace the color. Press left button and start rubbing. You can also change the your size of your brush. Yes, wait 1 minute. First of all, open your image. In brush tool, there is color replacement tool. Shortcut key is B. Click that. Your mouse pointer convert into target sign. Okay. Now press Alt key. Okay. आपने कौन सी की प्रेस करनी है? The mouse pointer will be converted into eyedropper sign. Come to your image and select your color of your choice and left click there. I want this color, left click here. Okay. Now come to your file portion where you want to change the color and press left button. देखो ये देखो कलर में अकॉर्डिंग टू द कॉम्बिनेशन वो लाइट और डार्क हो रहा है अकॉर्डिंग टू द ओरिजिनल कलर. One minute. So how effectively you change the color of your sky? Online students, any doubt here? Yes, Bani, what happened? No, you will have to select only one color. Last 5 minutes I will check. Okay. This side. Last 5 minutes I will check one. Okay. Okay, online students, now we are going to next tool. This is called color replacement tool. It means a particular color we will replace with another color. So next is okay. Next color is sport healing brush. The sport healing brush is remove irregularity of your face. If there is a some sign or mark on, it can be removed with the help of a sport healing tool. So I'm searching one pic. This is working.
टाइम 10 मिनट बाद वाड़ लिया हमने
Okay, बेटा this tool is applicable if there is an imperfection on your face. ठीक है? So I will find out a image that having an impression on. बेटा वो उसमें सर्च कर लेंगे, ठीक है? This clone tool we have already discussed. ठीक है? Clone tool क्या करते हैं बेटा? It will take the sample some you can say symbols or some portion of image and then paste on another place. Okay. For example, I open one image here, that is this image. Okay. So I have two images. One is this one. Okay. तो मैंने यहाँ पे there is a one tool that is called clone stamp. You will have to click there. Okay. Come to your image and press Alt key. क्या press करना है? Yes, Alt key press करके you will have to click on the image. ठीक है? Now come to the another image. Here and start to Alt key. Now आपने प्रेस कर लिया, उसके बाद then start to rub there, left key, Alt left key. ठीक है, करने के बाद come to your another portion of the image and start rubbing. Same impression you will get there. Bani, clear? So you will get the same image in targeted area. Beta, here the image exactly will be pasted there. बेटा आपने ऊपर ओपेसिटी कम की होगी, 100% कर दो उसको. Wait, I'm just coming. Online student, clear बेटा? Okay, students, in just like a clone stamp tool, there is pattern stamp tool. Okay, here you will have to select the pattern. Here is a different pattern are here, preloaded pattern. Bani, look at here, preloaded patterns are there. So what you will do here, start rubbing. Okay, so the pattern will be pasted there. Okay. The same steps. Yeah, same steps, but no need to press Alt key. Only select the pattern and in content text box select the pattern. Okay. Okay. Concept clear, beta? Now next is now next is your blur tool, sharpen tool, smudge tool. We have already discussed these tools now. The blur tool will blur the image. Okay, sharpen will increase the sharpness of your, and smudge tool will allow the image to there will be smoothness in the edges. Okay. Next is type tool. We have already discussed. There are a typing tool. We can type any text on the your image. Look at here. Text tool. So come to your image and start. You select the size here. Suppose 48. Now you can type here. So this is your which tool? Text tool. But remember one thing, text tool is of different type. Here you can text horizontally, vertical. Okay? There are two type of text. You can type vertical also. So there is a one tool that is called here wrapping text. So you can convert your text into a different format. For example, ये text हमारे पास है, ठीक है? You can select this. Okay, now select your arc, your flag type. Click on OK button. Look at here, your text format. Type your text in context text. There is one button that is called wrapping text. Okay, click on that. Select your style. Okay, from styles. And then you can also make changes in the bend, horizontal distortion, vertical distortion, and then click on OK button. Okay. Then you will have to click on OK button. Next is in a case of a rectangular tool. Rectangle tool, there is a rectangle tool, rounded rectangle, there is ellipse is there, then polygon is there, then line is there. There is a custom shape tool. You will have to click there. So in the custom tool, so look at here, there are preloaded images are there. ये देखो बेटा यहाँ पे so look at here. So you can select, click here and come to your image and drag it. Look at here. You can also change the image, then come to your document, your image. If you want to change the foreground color, click here, change the color, click on OK button. Now, if I draw the image, like suppose here, in this way you can insert the different different shapes are there. In your Photoshop, there are two buttons. One is these buttons are called zoom button. So there is zoom in and zoom out. Okay. If I click here, and in the context text, here is plus symbol is here, minus symbol is here. If I click on plus symbol and come to your document, your image, press left button. And if you want to zoom out, click minus button, and here press the left button. Yes. Any doubt here? Now in your Photoshop, there is, if you click on image menu, there is an adjustment. Okay. So here you will have to click on image adjustment. There are different type of adjustments are there. Okay, brightness, you can change the brightness, you can change the levels, you can change the curve. Here you can one minute. suppose with a balance, it will change the amount of RGB color. It means if you want to increase the quantity of red more, okay, or blue less, okay, we can do like this. So here is in your book there is a one there is a bit of problem with the image. 1 minute. So look at here. Brightness, contrast. We have already discussed these things. Okay, Bani, it's working. Students, open the image. In image, and then adjustment, then brightness and contrast. Okay, so by using that we can increase the contrast, and contrast means opposite color, means your difference in colors combinations. Okay, brightness means darkness and lightness. If you click on OK, the changes will be applied on the image. But if you want to undo, you will have to press edit and click on step backward. Okay, here is a shortcut keys Alt plus Control plus G. So the changes you have applied automatically undo. Okay, automatically roll back. Okay, and students, any doubt here? Yes, online student, any doubt here? There any doubt? Okay, students, in Photoshop, we are working with the layers. Bani, look at here. We are working but that is applicable the brightness. Okay. In the case of your Photoshop, there are different layers. Why we what is layer? Layer is a just a transparent sheet. So suppose this is my image. Clear? If I insert one rectangle here, so look at here in your layers dialog box. Here it show the third layer, that is rectangle. ठीक है? Here is image. This is your background. तो आप क्या कर सकते, किसी को भी हाइड कर सकते हो. देयर इज ए आई सिंबल, आप इसको हाइड भी कर सकते हो. क्लियर? सपोज लेयर 0, इसको हाइड कर सकते हो. और मोर ओवर यू कैन आल्सो चेंज द ऑर्डर. ठीक है? अब रेक्टेंगुलर टूल क्या हो गया, पीछे चला गया. ठीक है? आप उसको आगे ले आ सकते हो. ठीक है? यहाँ पे ऑर्डर चेंज कर सकते हो. क्लियर? एंड इन केस यू when we insert new object, the layer automatically inserted. But if you want to insert a new layer without inserting any object, so you will have to click on layer, click on new, click on layer. So there is a dialog box will be there. Name of the layer, suppose I type here new, and the color of your layer, then मोड कौन सा है. ठीक है? देन ओपेसिटी आपने कोई सेट करनी है, देन क्लिक ऑन ओके बटन. ठीक है? तो ये आपके पास, क्योंकि इसमें कुछ नहीं है, जस्ट लेके व्हिच वेयर बेटा वेट first of complete this. So this is your how you can add a new layer. So click, you will have to click on layer, click on new, click on layer. New layer dialog box will be there. Define the name of the color and click on OK button. In this way, you can insert a new layer. But in case you want to rename, look at here. अगर आपके पास कोई भी layer है and you want to rename it, ठीक है? तो you will have to click, double click on the layer name and type new name. ठीक है? Concept is clear?
Yes.
Yes, Bani, I am coming to your question, beta. In rectangular tool, there is custom shape tool. Yes, beta. Which tool you want to discuss, beta, here?
Custom shapes के नीचे like a page. This is a hand that the documents are.
ये hand tool.
The document.
So I'm just checking. Okay, student, online students, we will continue with the another tools the next period. Okay, beta. Take care. Bye. I'm going to close the meeting.